Are you thinking about buying hair extensions from Haluxy.com? Before you place an order, you might want to hear this. On the surface, Haluxy looks like a dream come true. The website promises an easy, damage-free solution to long salon visits and expensive extensions. Their main product features something called a Transo-Loop, which they say allows you to apply the extensions in just 60 seconds. No glue, no damage, just instant volume and length. They also claim the extensions look and feel like real hair, blending seamlessly with your natural hair. Sounds perfect, right? But as you start looking closer, the red flags begin to pile up. First, the website was only created in April 2025. For a brand claiming to have over 600 happy customers, that's suspiciously new. It's hard to build a strong customer base and reputation in just a few weeks, especially when there's little to no actual feedback available anywhere online. They also boast about being featured in big-name outlets like NYC Harry and Hairstyle Inside. But try searching for those mentions. You won't find a single article, link, or mention from those platforms. There's absolutely no proof that these features ever happened, which makes it feel like they're just throwing around names to look more credible. Then there are the before and after photos. At first glance, they look impressive, like genuine transformations. But when you run a reverse image search, the same photos pop up on other unrelated websites, which suggests they may have been copied or stolen. If the product was really that good, wouldn't they have their own original customer photos? Even more concerning, they claim to have tons of happy customers, yet there are 0 reviews on Trustpilot or other well-known review platforms. No YouTube videos, no TikTok reviews, no Instagram tags, nothing that shows real people using or loving their product. That's a big red flag in today's world where social proof means everything. Customer support is another weak point. The only way to contact them is through a single support email. There's no phone number, no live chat, and no active social media accounts. That makes it hard to trust them, especially if you run into issues like not receiving your order or wanting a refund. At the end of the day, Haluxy.com is all shine and no substance. The website is new, the media mentions are fake, the photos are likely stolen, and there's no real customer feedback to back up their bold claims. It looks like a high-risk purchase. So, before you buy, take a step back and consider if it's really worth the gamble.